Out here in the desert, it's important to have a lot of water for your animals. So I'm gonna take this giant bowl and hook it up to permanent water so that it automatically fills up. No, Bailey, you stay in.
If you ever got a boot stuck down in your engine, you can pull it out with a coat hanger.
Dog likes to run. So I went to Home Depot yesterday, bought a bunch of parts, and we're gonna see if we can hook this up to permanent water. Okay, so I had this hose from a dishwasher, I think, something, laying around the shop. So that's what I'm gonna use as the hose so the dogs don't chew it up, and so it can be flexible to where I can just dump this bowl if I need to, or unhook it real quick and go wash it out. So I had to, this is the float that we're going to be using. It's a float valve. When the water floats up, it turns the water off, and then when the water goes down, it lets more water in. This is for like an evaporative cooler, so that's what we're going to use to make sure the water's the right level in here. So I'm going to pop a hole in there, and I'm going to put that through the dog bowl. So at Home Depot they didn't have this. I think it's 3/8 compression. They didn't have this 3/8 compression. I think this is a 1/4 inch compression. They didn't have an adapter that just adapted the two. So what I had to do was go from 3/8 compression to, I think this is maybe 1/4 inch pipe thread. Then I had to go from 1/4 inch pipe thread down to 1/4 inch compression. And then they don't make a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch barrel. No, that's, yeah, 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch compression barrel. So I had to buy a 1/4 inch compression to compression hose, and that should hook from there to there. So that's my setup. And then I'm going to be connecting the other side of this to a piece of 1/2 inch PEX. So I went ahead and bought a shut-off valve. This is for like a toilet or a sink, to go from 1/2 inch PEX to this 3/8 compression. So I had to get some Teflon tape for this connection. Everything else should have a rubber gasket inside because it's all compression. All right, let's go hook the PEX up. So if you haven't already seen my automatic chicken waterers video, you got chickens, you want automatic waterers, check that one out.